Good morning, everyone. Today is November 29. We are almost end of 2025. I know you've been following my YouTube channel and I know you've been visiting my platform on Facebook. And you still confused of what you are looking for. No matter how I put everything, the reason why I put everything on my platform in order for you to educate. Because you only think about profit. You would not get profit unless you have a capital. You wouldn't. And if you think that you can get gold to bring it to your destination, I doubt. Now let's talk about the price today. The price keep on changing every day. Now, 3 nights ago or 4 nights ago, the price of gold was 4,000 per ounce. And today, November 29, per ounce is 4,219.23. You multiply that to 32.15. It is 135,651.29 per kilo. This is already refined. And you keep on wandering around from broker to broker, from WhatsApp, from LinkedIn, from Facebook, from TikTok, from YouTube channel. I know you've been searching. And when you click on your phone about gold, my video pop up into your screen. I am Wilhelmina Ford here. This is my virtual office. My job is to screen you. My job is to interview you whether you are really a buyer or not. And then you still confused. Dealing with so many seller offer you cheap price, go for it. Because gold is not cheap. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. You have to follow the golden rules of the government. Gold is king. Gold is cash. Impossible that you will get the gold is BLC, Standard Letter of Credit. Impossible you will get a CIF, Cost Insurance and Freight. Those seller offer you CIF is BLC, Black Fund. He is going to deceive you. Gold is not for deceiving people. Gold is not for beggars. Maybe you are bigger because you don't have a capital. I can see that. Now, recently, I have an interview with different buyers, buyer from France, buyer from Dubai, buyer from Australia, buyer from Malaysia, buyer from Japan, buyer from Hong Kong, buyer from China, and buyer from Singapore and Malaysia. They know me. They've been wandering around. I call them online loader. Why? You wouldn't get the gold for free. Gold is cash business. Now let's talk about the price today. Again, the price is 135,651.29 per kilo. And then you're gonna ask, Wilhelmina, what is the discount? Use your brain. From the world market price, 135,651.29, LBMA less 5%. Use your calculator. I'm gonna educate you further. No such seller explaining to you like this. Even joker broker. Now on 135,651.29, our selling price less 5% tax included. We package it. I was the one who asked my seller, let's package it. And the tax is already on the price. In spite of that, we give you 5%. Okay? Your profit per kilo is 6,782 per kilo. Minus 135,651.29. Our selling price 128,608. And then you're gonna say, oh, too expensive. Of course, you are buying expensive item. This is world asset. If you don't have a capital, don't be involved in gold business. No one is giving you for free. Now, because you're dealing with Wilhelmina, right? Instead of 5%, I might consider to give you a leeway. Provided you have to convince Wilhelmina. How are you going to convince me? First of all, you have to read the full corporate offer first. Digest it, read it paragraph by paragraph. And then when you comprehend, then that is the time you come for conference live video call with Wilhelmina. I want to see you. You already see me. This is my virtual office. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Okay? Now this is my online store. This is my virtual office. The seller hired Wilhelmina to handle you. Because the seller, the owner of the gold, is sick and tired dealing with you as well. Why? Because you're an online looter. I call that online looter. Why? You've been window shopping, running around from joker broker to joker broker. At the end of the day, you found someone to offer you cheap price. And then when you travel, it's no longer cheap price. Because they are going to ignite you. They are going to tease you. Wilhelmina is not teasing you. My seller would not tease you. You have the money, we have the gold. Our selling price less 5% tax included. Where are you going to find a seller that offer you tax included? You still make a profit. Now, if Wilhelmina prove that you are really a buyer, I want to see your credential. A copy of your business registration. A copy of your importation license. A copy of your passport copy and the proof of fund that you have standby $1 million in your bank account. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't. You are just a time waster. You are just online looter. That is it. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, if I'm gonna buy a gold, how much is the discount? Well, I mentioned that a while ago, less 5% tax included. But because you're dealing with Wilhelmina, and I have the power to negotiate on your behalf, and I have the power to bargain to my head office. Why? Because you're paying my extra service. Yeah. Which one you like? You have two options, Mr. Buyer. 5%, we will send you the invitation, we will send you the contract. Before you will receive the contract, Wilhelmina will gather your credential in order for me to vouch you. I cannot vouch you if you are a ghost buyer. I cannot. Meaning to say, you are an online looter. I can only vouch you when you show me your credential to signify that you are really serious buyer. You must remember, he who has the gold makes the rules. The government is implementing, so the seller has to follow the golden rules of the country. Yes? Now, Wilhelmina handled Mali, the third largest gold producer in West Africa, Conakry, Guinea, and Sierra Leone. Now, let's talk about one by one. In Mali, the third largest gold producer in West Africa. When you buy gold, you need to have a contract with us. With my seller, Wilhelmina will handle you. Wilhelmina will gather all your vital information before you will receive the credential of the seller, because I'm going to vouch you that I have validated you if you want to buy gold in Mali. There is a minimum. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. You need to have a capital. At least you need to make money 20 kilos or 10 kilos. 10 kilos, your profit is less. On the first trial, you have only slim profit. But if you continue order for 12 months, guarantee your profit is 80%. Figure out. I am not going to teach you. Just listen to this video and read the full corporate offer on this video. Subscribe and click below. Read paragraph by paragraph. Now, our selling price on unrefined is 124,036 per kilo as today. Now we are about to end 2025. The price is getting skyrocket. So in spite of that, even the gold is high, you still get 5%, or I might consider to give you 8%, but don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. And I have the power to reject you, and I have the power to renegotiate the price on your behalf. Why? You're paying my services. My services is not for free. You're lucky you found this video that I've given you knowledge worth $1 million. But if you cannot convince Wilhelmina that you have $1 million, to me, you're not a buyer. You're an online looter. I don't deal chain of joker broker no more. I have given everyone an opportunity, but they don't read. They think about only their profit. You will not get profit if you're not a buyer. We will give the buyer a profit because the buyer has to sign a contract and the buyer has to make money in order for him to get the profit, not the joker broker. That's the reason why the seller hired Wilhelmina. I'm giving you my background again. I keep on repeating from video to video. I used to be on real estate. I was the one who introduced this. Yeah? No such seller will explain to you like this. None whatsoever. And those joker broker hates my guts. Tough luck. Because I am very tough. There's a saying, when you involved in business, you need to have a capital. If you don't have a capital, you wouldn't become successful. My seller borrowed money in the bank in order to mine the gold because the government would not give my seller a permit to dig his land even though he owned the land. His land is full of gold deposit. His land is full of diamond. His land is fertile. But the government would not give a license. So there is always involved on money. You as a small trader, you only think about you, but you didn't think about that you are buying precious mineral. You didn't think that gold is cash. You didn't think that gold is world asset you're buying. Gold has many uses. Remember that. Our selling price today, 124.36. Did you not remember? Whatever the world market price, 135,651.36, less 5%. I will educate you again. 135,651.29. I will give you 5% tax included. Times 5%. This is your profit per kilo. This is your profit per kilo. But if you want to buy 1 kilo, 2 kilos, you wouldn't get the profit. What a waste of time. Because when you travel, it costs money. To buy an airfare, to stay in a hotel accommodation, at least you need to buy at least 20 kilos. Now, multiply that. Your profit times 20 kilos. This is your profit on the first trial. But when you increase on the second trial, your profit is more higher. On the first trial, your profit is just even. But on the second trial, because you are going to increase it, your profit is getting higher and higher. On the 12 months, when you increase order first, second, third, and fourth, and seven, I can guarantee you your profit is 80%. Now put your money in the bank, term deposit, less 3%. Which one you like? 80% profit in a year's time or 3% per annum? Can you see the difference? Now, there was a buyer that, an Indian buyer, he's a very nasty. He sent me hi, and I told him, how did you get my number? Oh, I saw you on your YouTube. And I told him, therefore, you saw me on YouTube, you don't know how to introduce yourself. And then you call me, hi brother, do I look like brother? That's a red flag already. I blocked him so that he would not come back. Now, Mr. Buyer, be aware that you are not dealing with the simple, the ordinary person. The seller hard, experienced person, which is Walamina. I'm already retired from real estate. I focus on gold because gold is lucrative business. Now, do not come for conference if you don't know how to introduce yourself. Do I look like brother? Most of the joker broker, they call me brother. My goodness. Do I look like brother? This is Mrs. Ford. Do you understand Mrs. Ford? Meaning to say, she's a female, not a male. Reject. Now, I'm going to explain to you again on Mali. Mali have 4 refinery. DNGM, Russian refinery. You cannot buy gold in Russian refinery. They are buying gold in Mali. They are leasing the mines because they were being given the government incentive in order to create employment. Mali is the progressive, Marina, and Kankamusa. So when you buy gold in Mali, there's a cost to taste the gold, $150 per kilo. So you have to prepare. You cannot just travel to Mali thinking that you can get gold for free. Gold is not free. There is no free in this world, my dear. None. So, in Mali, they're gonna use translator. Translator means the seller has his own shipping agent. There's a lot of shipping agent. Have you been to Mali? I've been there. Mali is the progressive country. Mali is the 3rd largest gold producer of gold and bauxite. Why this European mining company is in Africa? Australian mining company, German, Canadian, UAE, Indian, big Indian company. They're there, everywhere in Africa. So there is a cost. You cannot say, oh, I want to buy no upfront. To me, you're bullshit. Do not be in bullshit business because there is no upfront whether you like it or not. You have to pay for it. You cannot get the ASI report unless you pay to the NGM to use their facility, $150 per kilo. Now on 20 kilos, 150 times 20. You need to prepare $3,000 to taste the gold only, huh? How about paying the gold? So there is a cost. That's why you need to be prepared. You need to have $1 million in your bank account standby. And then you're going to say, I don't trust Africa. Why are you buying gold in Africa? Africa is the 3rd largest gold producer in West Africa. And if you don't have the supply, you wouldn't function your business. And then you're going to say, no upfront. Keep your money. Don't loiter online. You're gonna ask, no, bring the gold to India, bring the gold to Dubai, bring the gold to Europe. No upfront. Are you kidding? You're buying world asset. Even central bank cannot even cater their client. They are buying raw material, which is unrefined gold Doribar. You are also buying raw material, which is Doribar, 22 plus carats, 95% or 97. You need to taste the gold. You need to acid the gold before you pay. And then you're going to say, no upfront fee. To me, you are an online looter. Now, let's talk about Conakry. Dubai and Conakry is direct flight. They have Sky Cargo, Emirates Sky Cargo. Their office is in the airport. I've been there. I talked to the supervisor in the airport of Emirates office. Now, you want to buy gold in Conakry, right? Again, I want to collect your credential. I want to see your business, a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy. Again, I want to see you live video call, and I want to see that you have a standby capital. If you have $1 million, yes, you can buy gold. Okay? I have the power to negotiate the price for you. I have the power to reject you, and I have the power to say yes or no. Now, in Conakry, have a different procedure. You come to the office, exactly the same when you buy gold in Mali. You come to the office, inspect your order based on the contract. Then the seller said, okay, here's the gold. And then you're going to say, okay, proceed. Then we will test the gold. Exactly the same in Mali. Now we're talking about Conakry. Gold cannot be brought to central bank unless you come to the office, unless you inspect the gold, and we will do the testing before the gold will be brought to the central bank, because the seller will send a letter or inform the central bank that he is going to export to you. The central bank will ask the seller his export license, whether his gold is clean or not. So then, before the gold will be brought to the central bank, you need to make a commitment, not upfront. You need to have a deposit, okay? And it would take 3 working days to clear your deposit. We require you to pay 40%. So you don't need to be scared. That's the reason why I explain it, so that you will not be confused. Seller would not explain to you like this, none whatsoever. So when your deposit of 40% has been cleared, because it would go to the correspondence bank in New York, it would take 3 working days. So your payment, your deposit, goes to the owner of the gold, not to the central bank. The central bank will only give certificate of clearance that the owner of the gold has a license to export to you. So the gold will stay at the central bank until all the paperwork would be processed, like certificate of clearance, assay report, custom clearance, and ownership, and commercial invoice. So you're gonna stay in Africa 7 to 8 working days because of the delay. Exactly the same where you gonna buy gold in Africa, at least maximum 8 days maximum. So when the gold has been fully paid, because the gold cannot take the out of the country without full payment, so you deal with the Emirates, because the gold will be handed over to Emirates. The Emirates will charge you the charges because you are using their services. Okay? Does any seller explain to you like this? None whatsoever. So the armor car from the central bank will carry the gold from the central bank to the airport with the armor car with the gold. If you want to hand carry, it is your call. Because Emirates flight direct to Dubai, you can carry 10 or 20 kilos. Recently, my head office delivered 26 kilos in Dubai. One bar is 10 kilos. And the other bar, 16 kilos. It's very heavy. Two bars, one bar, 10 kilos, and the other is 16 kilos to a Korean buyer. And the seller hand over to the buyer because the buyer did pay the gold by USDT. Now you have two options in Conakry. My head office will receive a payment USDT or bank to bank. Before you're gonna give me your USDT account, we're gonna gather your vital information because I'm going to vouch you. And I'm going to tell my head office, okay, I already spoken to this particular buyer. Let us proceed. The head office will send you a letter of confirmation of your order. Now, when you send me a letter of interest, be specific because I'm not a mind reader. You are a professional businessman. You should know that. There, Wilhelmina, I am the buyer. I saw you on YouTube channel. I'm very impressed and I've been talking to a lot of online looter. Until now, I have a problem. Well, whose problem is that? You. Because you think that gold will come to you. No. There is no upfront here. Whether you like it or not, you have to come to travel with me. Inspect your order based on your contract, based on your reservation. Does that make sense? Now, let's talk about Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone as well, the same. You need to send me a copy of your business registration because I'm going to validate you. I'm going to communicate with you via live video call when you send me your credential because I need to give you the answer to your question and I want to know who you are as well. You must open your camera. Don't be scared. A minute you're going to be scared, to me you are a looter. Why you going to be scared for? Wilhelmina is not scared to talk to you. Wilhelmina's face are everywhere. Wilhelmina is not scared. A minute you're going to be scared, you are hiding things. Either you are criminal or either you are a smuggler or either you are gold launderer. Three things: criminal, smuggler, or gold launderer. So you need to be professional. You don't need to be scared. Why are you going to be scared for? I am here to help you in order to get what you want. I know you've been to Ghana. I know you went to Nairobi, Kampala, Tanzania, okay, Zimbabwe. Well, there's a lot of gold in Africa. You went to South Africa. You cannot get gold in South Africa. Why? Once the gold out of the land, it's already refined. You can buy gold to RAN refinery. Lucky if you get 2%. Because RAN also needs gold. They are supplying central bank. You are buying gold from us because you are going to make into different uses. Like jewelry. This is finished product. You are buying raw materials, you must remember. Where this raw material coming from? Africa. I bought this in gold sock. This is very expensive. So you're asking bargain, bargain, bargain. Gold is not a bargain. Gold is not for beggars. You keep on bargain, bargain, meaning to say you are a beggar. I can help you to negotiate the price because you are paying me as well. I need to be with you on the ground. And I do charge my extra service of $20,000 to cover my travel cost. And then you're going to say, oh, I'm scared to give you upfront. There's no upfront. I went to my lawyer. I called my lawyer. They charge me. I am charging you as well. But my knowledge, I've given you my knowledge worth $1 million. And you really gain knowledge. You're not paying me. I only charge you when we send you the contract and everything must be in place. That is the time I'm going to invoice you that my $20,000 is non-refundable, whether you like it or not. Now you have option. You don't need to pay $20,000 if you cannot afford. You travel, and I will monitor your movement. I will submit your credential to my head office. Then you will receive the confirmation and the contract. But if there is an issue, don't call me. Wilhelmina, your seller didn't show up. Whose fault is that? But if I'm on the ground, I know my seller would not do that to you because I have to be with you. That's why you're paying my extra service. Do you understand that? Next year, I'm going to increase my services. When the gold is high, my services also is expensive. You're buying expensive item. Do you mean to say I'm going to give you for free? I'm already giving you for free. But when I travel, it's no longer for free. Today, every move is money. If you cannot afford to pay my extra service, meaning to say you cannot afford to pay the gold. And then you're going to say, oh, I don't like Wilhelmina. Too bad. One buyer went to Mali and we sent him a contract. He is from France. We sent him a contract. We issue him a landing visa for Conakry, landing visa for Mali. He went there. And he said, Madam, I'm going to transact first in Mali. I said, okay. What happened? He was offered very cheap price. So he was excited. Okay? So they hand carry the gold from Mali to Dubai. When you hand carry the gold, you must remember, you are going to have a transit in Ghana. So when you check in your luggage, the X-ray machine saw there is something wrong on the box. They opened the box. So there was a missing one document. He was not being guided by the seller. The seller flew together with the buyer. And the custom in Ghana asked, where is the certificate of ECOWAS? Because Mali was a member of ECOWAS before. Now Mali is no longer a member of ECOWAS. So, the buyer has to get out from the airport of Ghana. And then the buyer called me, Madam, do you know someone in Ghana? I said, why? We encounter issue. Oh, really? And whose fault is that? Madam, help me. No, I cannot. You betrayed yourself and you betrayed me. Disaster. He lost money. Another buyer who went to Kampala. Disaster. Another buyer who went to Sierra Leone. Disaster. There's so many cheap offer. Go for it. Yeah. Seller will say, come, come, come. Here's the gold. Where's the money? Wilhelmina is guiding you. That's why you're paying me. The $20,000 is non-refundable whether you like it or not. If you cannot afford, then go somewhere else. Now in Sierra Leone, you come to the office based on your contract. The gold will be ASI at PMMT. There is a value on it. The PMMT in Sierra Leone will value the gold. Yes? And I will give you the shipping agent when you convince Wilhelmina. My seller in Sierra Leone deliver gold to Dubai, 200 kilos. This is it. Old document, but I'm not going to give you this document because this buyer would not like his name to be floated around. I have a copy because I was given by my head office that the head office deliver 200 kilos June 26. Okay, and the purity of the gold in Sierra Leone 97. Okay, 97, 96, 95 in every bar. Okay? So I'm not going to show you and you're gonna say, well, Amina, show me the performance. You have not shown me your credential. You haven't. You haven't shown me the proof of fund that you have $1,000,000. You're just asking the performance of my seller because you are going to solicit and you are going to lotter, online lotter. See, this is the ASA report. Yeah. 97. Yeah. 97%. 97.402 in every bar. Okay. There's 96, 97. That's very good. The gold in Africa from 95. This is the real document. But I'm not going to give it to you. There was a buyer from India. Madam, I want to see who is your buyer. We don't give our buyer. That is a privacy. Okay? We will open the books in the office when you come. But beforehand, we don't. We don't. Why are you scared to open your camera? Because you are scared to be exposed? Because our conversation, whether you like it or not, is recorded. And then I will give you a copy. That is the reason why you're scared. You don't need to be scared. We are now on digital. I purchased this one through advertisement. I purchased this hang on, I'm gonna show you this router, this Wi-Fi, because I'm going to travel overseas for holiday. I paid in advance. I have to wait for 14 days. This one I paid in advance. I have to wait for 14 days to deliver. They already got my money that I haven't received it. But I'm very patient. This is, I saw this on Facebook advertisement. I advertise that Africa is the main source of precious mineral. That's why you come to Wilhelmina. That's why you search on YouTube, my video pop up into your screen. You are going to encounter this beautiful lady. This beautiful lady wouldn't muck around with you. Many years ago, I was a member of LinkedIn. I was being attacked by this little online looter. I get out on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very good site to connect people, but most of the members are joker broker. I get out. I prepare to tell the world directly to the point. YouTube is the best of all the best, and on Facebook. Believe me, all of my buyers satisfied because they see how professional is Wilhelmina. If you don't follow the golden rules of the country, at the end of the day, you are going to be tralala. And when I take you to Africa, don't go behind my back. Because you are going to fail if you go behind my back. Now, in every bar, 22 carats, the purity is from 95, 97. On 18 carats, the purity is 75% of gold. On 14 carats, the purity is 58.3% of gold. On 12 carats, only 60% of gold. There is gold, but on 12 carats is only good for industrial, making false teeth, making spare parts on laptop and mobile phone. Most of the buyer looking for 22 plus. And you cannot buy refined from us because it's already belong to the central bank. It's already belong to the refinery. You can buy to them. We are selling raw materials. Central bank buying raw materials in order for them to refine to make 1 coin, $1, $2. That is their business. Our business, my seller produce gold for you. We have tons of gold, but show me that you have capital. So did I explain to you now? Now I'm gonna see you before the end of 2025. Now you come to my platform on Facebook because time to time I updated the price and I'm updating the production. Now we're closing on December 18. The production is closed, but we have plenty of gold. But I still, Wilhelmina, will accept your order no matter what, because I am the call center of the seller. My business is to cater you. My office open 7 days a week. I close until midnight. I don't have gold here. I don't. The gold is in Africa. I only buy finished product when I was in Dubai recently. This is very expensive. When I purchased this gold in Gold Souk, I asked the owner of Gold Souk where this raw material coming from. I was laughing. Said, Madam, all of my gold is coming from Africa. Wow. Fascinating. The owner didn't realize that I'm asking a lot of inquisitive questions. All the shop in Gold Souk are Indians. Indians are gold lover. Why? Why they open the shop in Gold Souk? Gold Souk because it's tax heaven. You cannot bring the gold in India because the importation tax is too high. Only the big company can bring the gold into Dubai because there is a requirement. So that is not my business. I'm just giving you an information, a little bit of information, because I gather information. I am an information reader. I always read the articles online. You can read articles anytime. I don't buy newspaper no more. I just go online. What is the activities on the world market? Now today, as I've said, today is Saturday. The price of gold in 1 kilo is 135,661.26. So I can see the screen is running. So I'm gonna summarize you. Don't be scared with Wilhelmina. If you have capital, talk to Wilhelmina. Instead of 5%, I might consider to give you 8% tax included. If you walk into my head office, they will sell you 3%. One guy from Ghana, and he knows me for 2 years, and he met my driver. When I was in Conakry, I have my own driver provided by the company. So he met the company driver of the seller in Conakry. So the company driver take a holiday in Ghana. So they went to Conakry together, and he walked into the office. And the seller says 3% during the time, I think 6 years ago, 3%. And then this agent called me, Madam, I'm in your office. And then you said, Madam, you give us 8%. I said, yes. When I travel with you, and my head office says, did you talk to Wilhelmina? And he said, yes. Go back and talk to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina would be able to assist you. You return to Ghana empty-handed. He was being asked by the buyer company to do the due diligence of my seller. Mr. Buyer, I am going to do the due diligence of you first before you will receive the vital information of my seller. You will receive a company profile. Believe me, my seller owns 7 companies. And you, I don't know if you convince me if you are really a buyer or not. I wouldn't believe you if you're not showing your credential. I don't believe on blah, blah, blah. I don't. I believe on papers. You will receive the paperwork of the seller. You will receive everything. But you have to convince me because I'm the one who will vouch you. I'm the one to bargain on your behalf. But at the end, I am charging you as well my extra service. Can you afford to pay the gold? If you cannot afford to pay my extra service to me, you don't have the cash. You pretend to be a buyer. Actually, you are online looter, pretending you're fishing around. I have to be brutal so that you will clean your negative. Yes, there's a lot of scammer in Africa. Scam means you are going to be deceived, and you are deceiving yourself because you bargain. Mhm. So that is how it works. I think I explained to you, Mr. Baya. So I don't need to explain further. Take time to watch this video. Subscribe, click below, read it, and if you're satisfied, you go for it. If you're not, at least you found this video for your reference. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening here in Brisbane. The time is 8 o'clock in the evening. In your end, maybe in the morning. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We are now entering December. Few this time, we're entering December. So the price of gold 2026 is getting higher. So go on my platform on Facebook. Go through and stick a bit, you gain knowledge. But don't be scared with this woman because this woman is very tough and brutal. I need to be cruel to be loved because you're going to spend $1,000,000 here. If you're not very careful, you are going to lose money. There's a lot of buyer telling me sad stories. That's not my business to listen to your sad stories. Why? Because you are crook. You're a crook. Why you lose money? Because you are looking for cheap price? Because you're asking for CIF cost insurance and freight? That is considered as a crook. If I am the buyer, I have to travel. I have the money, I have to travel, I have to come to the office, I have to see what I'm buying. When I'm happy, then that's the time I'm going to pay. If you're not happy, at least you make an effort, at least you take a holiday. And Wilhelmina be with you, believe me, you are going to gain more knowledge from Wilhelmina. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening here. I wish you Merry Christmas in advance. I shall catch up with you before end 2026.